Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove a BMW 1 Series door card. First, ensure you have the right tools, including a plastic trim removal kit, a Torx 20 screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Begin by gently prying off the small plastic cover located behind the interior door handle. This cover often hides a crucial fastener. Once removed, you will see a single Torx 20 screw. Carefully unscrew this fastener, setting it aside in a safe place. This is the first step in detaching the door card. Next, focus on the decorative trim strip that runs horizontally across the door card. Using your plastic trim removal tool, carefully pry this strip away from the door, starting from one end. It's usually held by several clips. Beneath this trim, you will find two more Torx 20 screws. Remove these screws and keep them with the others. Then, gently lift the window switch panel using your trim tool. It often just clips into place. Disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the switch panel. With all screws removed, begin to release the door card's retaining clips. Starting from the bottom or a corner, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry the door card away from the door frame. You will hear the clips pop free. Work your way around the entire perimeter. Once all clips are released, lift the entire door card upwards about 2 to 3 inches to clear the window seal. Then, carefully reach behind to disconnect the door handle cable and any other electrical connections, such as for the speaker or puddle light. To reinstall, first reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Ensure they are securely attached. Then, align the top edge of the door card with the window channel, making sure it seats correctly. Once aligned, firmly push the door card back onto the door frame, working your way around to engage all the retaining clips. You should hear them click into place. Finally, reinsert all 3 Torx 20 screws and snap the decorative trim strip and the small handle cover back into position. Test the window and door handle operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.